We will finish this lecture with a brief overview of some of the implications for managers. First, it's important for managers to understand their organization's anti-discrimination policies and for them to share that information with all of their employees. Sometimes we shy away from these policies because they are boring, long, we can't find them, etc. But this, of course, does not help us in any way. Some organizations ask their employees to read the policies and then sign a form saying that they have read them, they understand them, and they will abide by them. Also, assess your own stereotypes and prejudices. Make sure you understand what you think so that you can begin to target those stereotypes and those feelings and change them. Stereotypes are not something that we have to carry around with us for the rest of our lives. Once we know we have a stereotype in our mind, we can begin to correct it. How do you do this? It's usually more accurate information and more experience. The more your brain begins to realize that your stereotypes are just plain wrong, the weaker those stereotypes are. Although it's important for us to recognize our biases, we need to look beyond surface level diversity and biographical demographic characteristics and try to learn more about each individual person, their KSAOs, their talents, their expertise, experience, education, interests, preferences. All of those things are important to a manager's interactions with that person. The more a manager knows about an individual's work-related characteristics, the better they can serve them. And finally, try to customize jobs and design them to fit individual people's KSAOs and other qualities. By law, managers are mandated to do this for employees with documented disabilities. But there is some evidence that this customization is good for everyone in just about any role. Of course, that adds additional challenges for the manager who has to coordinate all of these different peoples with their different roles and their different schedules. The trend doesn't seem to be slowing, so I imagine this will be part of the modern manager's role.